Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today's dish is Friday's sizzling chicken and shrimp, and it is specially dedicated to my sister-in-law because it's gluten-free and super easy to prepare. Even my son is going to help me prepare it. Ciao cara mia, please give this dish a try. Okay, you need some few ingredients. It's written here and I will show it to you right now. Okay, we need salt, pepper and paprika, about half teaspoon of each, a small teaspoon of minced garlic, a squeeze of half a lemon, some olive oil, just enough to mix all the spices, about 1 tablespoon. Now mix these well. We will add some minced parsley, about 2 tablespoons. This marinade will be divided between the chicken and shrimp. Here we go, half goes on the shrimp and the other half on the chicken. Now spread the marinade evenly and nicely on the chicken on all sides. Of course you can use gloves to do this, but if you are used to working in the kitchen, using your hands is okay. Do the same with the shrimps. Let it marinate for a few minutes. Now add in a hot pan, add some oil, add the vegetables, sliced onions, sliced green peppers, and saute for a while. We need them to be still crunchy, not so soft. Just saute for a few minutes. And then remove all the vegetables into a small plate as we go on with the rest of the recipe. In the same pan, we will grill the chicken. The chicken needs 3 minutes per side to get cooked. You can notice that it's getting cooked from one side. If it changes color from the sides, it gets a little bit white, then you can turn it. Once you turn the chicken over, add the shrimps immediately because it needs less time to cook. This size of shrimp needs about 1.5 minutes per side. You will notice that it will change color and curl up a little bit. That's a sign that it is cooked. After 1.5 minutes, turn it over. You can see it's curled up. Next, heat an iron skillet on medium heat. Add the vegetables again until you hear the sizzling sound. Then arrange the grilled chicken and shrimp on top of the vegetables. This will keep your chicken and shrimp warm and sizzling until you take it outside on the table, and you will get the feeling that you are dining in a fancy restaurant. It really smells so good. tutti a tavola a mangiare. Let's all come to the table and eat. It really smells so good. And listen to the sizzling sound. Don't hesitate to try this dish. It's super easy, really. Didn't take much time. And I also prepared the honey mustard chicken on that day. I will leave the link in the description box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, please.